Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making assorted meat pepper soup. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. I will be using cow foot, which I have already cooked because it takes time to cook, goat liver, which I have also cooked and sieve out the water. In my pot I will go in with goat shake. It tastes so nice in pepper soup, and goat meat. Next, I will go in with the liver and season with seasoning cubes, a little bit of salt because the cow foot stock contains salt. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to cook without adding water. While that is cooking, I will cut the cooked cow foot into bite sizes and set it aside. Over here are my pepper soup ingredients: onions, ginger. Ginger is very good in pepper soup. Try to incorporate it when making pepper soup. Peppers, black pepper, ehuru and starfruit. The aroma from the starfruit will take it to another level. I'm going to blend and set it aside. The proteins has been cooking for a while. Next I will go in with the cow foot as well as the stock. I will proceed by adding the starfruits, blended peppers and onions, ehuru, black pepper. I will add 1 seasoning cube. Add more water that will be enough for the pepper soup. Cover and allow it to cook until the proteins are soft. If you have watched till this point, please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. At this time the pepper soup is almost ready. Next I will go in with my scent leaf and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Once that is done, our assorted meat pepper soup is ready. You can pair it with rice, agidi or mashed potatoes. I enjoyed mine with mashed potatoes. Very nice. Give it a try. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.